Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your EDIFIER MS50A from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Now, at the right side we have a button what called disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker but leave it at the device list, you need to select disconnect. And if you want to totally remove your speaker from your phone, you need to select forget with this trash icon. And then you tap at this button. Now I'm going to only stop Bluetooth connection, so I tap on it. Then if I go back, as you can see, it's not connected with my phone, but I still have it as a device list, and if I want to, I can just reconnect it by tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!